Okay, hello everyone, this is Goodison Gamer and welcome to Xevious on the Sinclair ZX Spectrum. So I have reviewed this game on Commodore 64 and it was pretty crap. The Nintendo version was okay and the Amstrad CPC was pretty enjoyable. So let's see how it plays on the Spectrum here. One player of course. So here we go. The playing area is pretty small, but much bigger than the Amstrad version. That was tiny. And it's very responsive controls here, and I really like the graphics actually. Very much details and sharp. Very nice. Very smooth. Very enjoyable version actually. I'm very impressed. So far so good. I'm really enjoying it. So I play with my controller here and I fire and drop bombs with the same button here. So I have to aim for the ground objects. Like that. And I can of course avoid all these flying rings. It's just for points, but I'm more interested in finish a level or something, if it's possible. So this is very sharp, everything. That Commodore 64 version was nearly unplayable. You couldn't see enemy firing or anything. Here it's doable actually. Getting a little bit tougher now here. Shit. A little bit more busy here. But it seems to be a quite achievable version in comparison to other Xevious games. Actually, I have reviewed this on Atari 7800 as well, and that was very tough actually. It was probably the toughest of the four of them that I have reviewed. I will put up links down in the description below so everyone can check them out if you're interested. So this game came out in '82 or something in Japan and in the arcades and was a success. Oof. And have spawned many shoot 'em ups in the same vein later. I must say I have never played the arcade version actually, so I cannot really judge anything. Now it's getting a little bit blue here. Aha, here comes the flying psychedelic bricks. It could have been nice with some music in the background as well. It's very quiet, but the sound effects is pretty nice actually, so I cannot really complain. But a little bit of music could have really topped this game a bit, top it up. These backgrounds are pretty ugly actually, these blue backgrounds, but now it's getting sharp green again here. Oof, sloppy, very sloppy of me there. So it's 5 life, and am I down to my last life now? No, it's my lives is up in the red there. I have 3 lives left. Shit. Oh. Shit, that was sloppy. So I cannot shoot these psychedelic bricks. I have to just avoid them. Try to cruise my way through here. So let's take this road here. Shit. Ooh, I managed. But I'm very impressed by this game actually. It's very enjoyable. A little bit of color clash there, but That's normal for Spectrum. So this is by far the best version I have played of this game. I mean, it's for me this game is nothing really special. I have never finished a level. I don't know if it's level based or anything. You know, it's just an infinite gameplay game that just goes on. Shit! Look at that. What? I just gonna play this until it's game over here. I'm gonna leave it after that. Just a little bit of first look of this game, so my viewers can have a can make up their own mind how you like it and if you want to play it yourself. Oh shit, it's game over there. I'm gonna leave it there. It's a short review. I'm just gonna put in my name here in stupid arcade style here. Good, there you go. So there you go. Yeah, very enjoyable game actually. I will give it a 7 out of 10 of this one, for this one. I think I gave the Amstrad version 7 out of 10 as well, but this is slightly better. It's a lot better. But I'm gonna keep it as 7. So there you go. Thank you for watching everyone. Like always, have a good one. Goodbye.